Hey guys, I'm Madison.
And I'm Mallory.
Today we're reviewing Unicorn Slimes, also known as
Joseph Anthony.
We just bought Joseph Anthony's Slime Chanel and it just came in the mail. So we're gonna open this up now. You do the honors, Mallory.
Oh, so where did we even get these?
Let's just open it up.
Okay. Can you get me different scissors?
Would you like these?
Yes. Okay. The package is open.
This is the first look at the slime.
Alright. Here is... Wow! Oh, there's a lollipop in here. There's Chanel.
Yay! We got a lollipop. Here.
So, Joseph included a packet of borax, a lollipop. This is a Jolly Rancher watermelon lollipop. And... what's else is in here? This is his business card.
We should zoom in on that and show and focus.
It's focused.
Okay, flip it over.
There's a slime care sheet here, and it has Joseph's Instagram and YouTube, so you guys can follow him there. Okay, so this is heat sealed, so we're gonna have to use the scissor to open this.
He has his logo on the front of it, and then on the bottom he says the name of the slime.
Chanel number 2. Alright, now here is the slime. Oh wow,
It has a nice smell.
wow. Oh my gosh, it's a bubblegum scent.
Yes, it is.
Wow. Oh, it's a little bit sticky. All we gotta do is add some borax.
And that just happens over a period of a few days since it was in the mail.
Yeah. I really like the bubblegum smell. Like, what do you think, Madison?
I like it.
Really like it.
We just made a sale on Etsy. So it has the color of bubblegum, the smell of bubblegum, and also I bet Mallory is the one touching it right now that it feels like bubblegum. Tell me.
It kind of does feel like bubblegum, actually. Alright, let's take it out of the container now. Oh my gosh, I love this slime. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so thick and glossy. You saw the borax squirt out. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I love this slime. Wow. It's so, like, it clicks so loud, too. The slime is so cool. Joseph did so well.
It makes a really loud clicking sound.
Yeah, it does. Alright. Come on. Wow.
And it stretches very well. Thank you, Cat Slimes, for your order, and that is where the ka-ching came from earlier in the video.
Chanel number 2 is really thick, so I recommend that when Joseph restocks his shop that you guys should go and snatch some Chanel up.
Definitely go and do that.
Like, look at how thick this is, and it's actually like really holdable too. Like, you can just hold it in your hand and just like play with the slime, and like it doesn't even stick. That is just amazing.
Don't you guys just love how clicky it is?
Yeah, that's like one of my favorite parts. All right, it's gonna be really big. Whoa, this slime stretches really far. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, so this slime is good for thwocks. You can hold it. It's really thick. It's, oh my gosh, it's just really soft. kind of feels like bubblegum in my opinion. Maybe it's the scent. I don't know. But it's everything.
I agree. So I think this deserves 2 thumbs up.
And a bubble pop.
Wow.
Boop.
Keep making those awesome slimes, Joseph Anthony, and we hope to see you at the 2018 Slime Bash.
Woo!